So, as you can see, we're in the attic. Pretty stoked on it. Love it up here. We got this Cat6 cable. This is what's going to be feeding the internet to the computer. And it's got to go all the way down into there. So, huh?
You want it up here?
Yeah, I need the gas mask.
What?
I need a dust mask.
This huge thing?
What huge thing? No, I need just a. No, not the whole bag. Not the whole bag. Inside the plastic bag, there's a dust
What
mask.
plastic bag? There's 17
The
of them.
big giant ones by the drum set. There's a little thing of dust masks in there. Pretty sure I'm gonna need a dust mask. Oops. Alright, let's set this up better. I'm gonna need a dust mask to get this handle. Love me an attic. Hang on. Let's set this up. We got a nice block of wood here. Okay, let's go for it. I didn't turn the light on. Oh, there we go. A little bit of angle. Look at this nice wallpapered wood they put up here. Ah, it's so dark. I got the electrical tape. I already got a fish tape in there. Now I just gotta find it, tape this to it, and Bob's your uncle. Never mind. Tell Mom it's okay. I don't need it. And then come back and tell me what she said. Okay. Babe. Hey, when I climb in there, when I say pull on it, you pull on it.
What?
Just, never mind, I don't need the dust mask, but when I say pull it thing, can you pull it? Huh?
I can't hear a word you're saying. What?
When I say, can you pull on the fish tape, just pull on it real slow a little bit.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to be way in there. I gotta climb all the way in there. Hang on. Nice action shot here. Not yet. So much dust. Okay, actually it's not bad. Hang on. Okay. So, I sent this in ahead of time. Fish tape. So, this is how to fish a Cat6 to your attic. Make sure you don't screw up the end here, because that's what gives you your Wi-Fi, or your Wi-Fi, your Ethernet, your direct line to your gaming, so you have no lag. You can, no lag. Peel the tape. Give a nice little, oops, darn it, as you can see. Make everything fun around here. Even a trip to the attic. You don't want it to screw up. Make sure you have a wife standing by as well, that can pull the wires for you.
Are you talking to me?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
I can't hear a word you're saying.
Okay. Oh, we're almost ready to pull it.
Oh, I've been pulling it for like 5-10 minutes.
You've been pulling it? Hasn't been moving. Well, I shoved a lot in here.
Pulling it. I've been pushing it up towards you.
No, don't push it up. Pull it out now. Here it comes. Hang on. See, that's a good little worker. Now we got it taped up. Okay. doing that. Hey. Okay. Okay. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Okay, I'll feed it. Pull. Yeah, pull it. But don't knock all my stuff over. No, pull it out. Keep pulling the fish tape. I know, keep going. Keep going. Keep it going. I'll tell you when. You'll see. You'll see it start moving. She's got about 20 feet. There it goes. Okay, a little bit more. Okay, now it's moving. Hang on a second. Oh, darn wires. This is what you got. This is what you gotta do for gaming. Okay. Okay, keep pulling. Are you pulling? Okay, don't pull too hard if you get stuck. If it gets stuck, we don't want it to rip. Let me know when you got the tip. What? What do you mean? Okay, hang on a second. I know, your hand's gonna be dirty. Thrust it up. I don't want it on my bed. Okay, pull it. That's the tip. Okay, we're good. Thank you. Well, I don't know. Okay. We'll see you outside. Hang on. Well, check it out. I was going to stop it, but let's climb out of here. It's actually a nice clean attic. I got it set up. Well, does anybody know? Yeah. Setting this up so we can give faster speed.
Are you recording yourself?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, you're trying to get old.
I'm making a video. My attic's, I was gonna say debauchery, but my attic situation. Hang on.
You made a rainbow?
Okay, that's how you get down. See?
That looks too
You
great.
can climb down now. Let's set it up. What do you make? Come here, show me. Where are you? Oh. You made that? Whoa, go me on the other side. The cutest thing in the world. Hang on. Show me on this side. Oh, that is so cool. Will you hold the ladder for me so I can climb down? Okay, hold it nice and tight, okay?
For him?
Yeah, she's holding the ladder for me. Good girl. Thank you. You mean the rainbow stuff? Okay, now I'm gonna tape it anymore actually. So uncut. We're gonna use these holes to fish it down to the router. There's a lot of stuff going on here. See? There it is. It's an unwieldy fish tape. This is called a fish tape, okay? So I send it in there, I put a little hole. I couldn't use the dust mask. And then, hang on, you're what are you doing? No, I'm doing this, hang on. So, hang on. We got this little bonus prize. Sweetie. All right, so we're gonna tape this. Make sure we didn't screw up the end. And so that is a Cat6 or a Cat6 fish through the attic, so we didn't have to have it running down the hall on the floor. My wife didn't like that. You see we got the green screen right there. This is real live action. That's how I did my Twitch setup. This is real live action. Makes it a little more fun. Okay, electrical tape. Up, ba, ba, boom. Okay. Okay. Okay, now, gosh darn it, it's got this chunk on it. A little bit of asbestos. Okay, now, the unruly fish tape. So this is my little setup here. As you can see, this is a intimate moment. The dust off me. There's gonna be dust everywhere. There's a video of how I made this. It's all the glasses I wear in the Twitch stream. But okay, so now we have a Cat6. Instead of going through the hall, it's going into the room, into the computer. You get the idea. Okay. Much love. Thanks for watching. I'm a ghost.